You've probably seen those ads, right? The ones that promise you can start investing with spare change. But is it really that easy? Can you open an Acorns account with just a few bucks? Let's dive in and find out. The allure of small beginnings. The idea of growing wealth from tiny amounts is incredibly appealing. It's like watching a seedling transform into a mighty oak, right? And Acorns, with its promise of micro-investing, taps into that dream. But there's a question that keeps popping up. How much do you actually need to start? Breaking down the Acorns myth. Let's cut to the chase. There's no minimum balance required to open an Acorns account. You can literally start with as little as $1. It's like they're inviting you to plant the tiniest seed possible in your financial garden. But here's the thing, while you can start small, you're not going to grow a forest overnight. Investing is a long-term game. Think of it like compound interest, the magic of small amounts growing exponentially over time. How Acorns really works. Acorns makes it super easy to start investing. You link your debit or credit card, and they round up your purchases to the nearest dollar. That spare change is then invested in a diversified portfolio. It's like finding extra money under your couch cushions and turning it into a potential gold mine. Is Acorns right for you? While Acorns is a great way to start investing, it might not be the best option for everyone. If you're looking to build wealth rapidly or have a high-risk tolerance, you might consider other investment vehicles. Acorns is better suited for those who prefer a hands-off approach and want to build wealth gradually. The importance of diversification. One thing to remember about Acorns is that it offers diversification. Your money is spread across different asset classes, which helps to manage risk. This is crucial, especially when you're starting with small amounts. Setting realistic expectations. It's essential to be realistic about your investment goals. While Acorns can be a fantastic tool for long-term wealth building, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Consistent contributions and patience are key. Additional tips for Acorns users. Maximize your roundups. The more you spend, the more you'll save. Consider automated investments. Set up recurring deposits to supercharge your growth. Take advantage of found money. Use Acorns to invest your tax refunds or bonuses. Conclusion. So, can you open an Acorns account with no money? Technically, yes. But to truly see the benefits of compound interest and build substantial wealth, you'll need to consistently contribute. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, be patient, and watch your money grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.